What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're heading to a car meet here in Minot, probably our last car meet in Minot, and the first car meet of the season here in Minot, North Dakota, because it is about 50 degrees right now and it feels amazing. And I have all my stuff for the GoPro, which I'm filming on right now, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I have a mic set up and I got all my stuff. Thank you to everybody who helped out. I posted on Facebook to get this mic, the mic connection, the adapter piece, because GoPro's crazy and they always sell out and don't make enough. But let's head down to the car meet. Let's check out this microphone. Hopefully it's got pretty good sound. I did a little test earlier, but not with cars. I just went and washed the car in 10 minutes in one of those car wash bays. Brought my own bucket and sponge and everything. Pretty clean. It'll probably get dirty on the way though. But let's head down that way. Before we do roll out, I do want to give a quick shout out to my buddy Nick. He has the YouTube channel 2JZ Addict. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Really cool channel, really great quality. Like seriously, Nick, you're kicking my butt on video quality. He was just down at the Tex 2K19. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's the big thing in Texas every year where they have like super high horsepower cars. He's got it all on his channel. Go check it out. He sent me some sweet gear too. Thanks very much. That intro probably sounded really rushed and out of breath because I was just at the gym and then I ran home to shower and get over to the car wash and try to get down to this meet. It's already started, but let's get a little acceleration, see how it sounds. Not too much, so I don't want to get a ticket. Got 2 weeks left in America and don't need a ticket. We have made it out to the meet here. Actually a really nice turnout. Let's check out some of these cars. Always have love for the second generation Eclipses. Really clean too. LOL V8, that's pretty cool. There's a lot of custom plates here in North Dakota. Showtime. Got that titanium exhaust. Hopefully this mic's doing its job. I'm gonna have to toy with it a little bit and figure out everything, the right settings. The Focus STs and the RS. Better than the Viper. What's up, man?
What's up?
Beautiful weather we're having. Integras. I always love Integras as well. I've had a few of those. Something I would like to import when they become legal is a Integra Type R. Everybody cleaned up their cars just to come out here and get them dirty. SRT Cherokee. I want to get one. I want to trade our Jeep in for an SRT, but I want the body style that I have, not this older body style. Right-hand drive Mercedes. Some European plates on there. So we got Japanese plates, we got European plates. That's really cool. The blue Evo. It looks really clean. Well, dirty clean. Mustangs. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want. This body style SRT.
Yeah, and then
there's dudes on the. Did you ever join the SRT page?
Yeah.
So there's dudes on there that like will be like.
That's
what
perfection.
Do you think
White SRT Jeep. Okay, appreciate it.
It's a little too much, man. SRT stickers and shit. They just go a little too far.
This is what I want. Gotta get rid of the
leaf blower on top of here. So much power.
White is the perfect color for the SRT8 Cherokee. Got some old police car action. SRT4 neon. I see this thing all the time driving around. Megan, my wife, if you guys don't know, had a bunch of these. She's had 4 or 5 of them, I think. We'll probably get another one day.
There's another dude in town that has a home. I don't think he knows what he has. I don't know. It's just
Bike's coming out. Bike weather. Nice diverse group of cars out here today. That thing is so small. I can't even imagine driving that. Do they come that stripped, or has he stripped this? Anybody know? It's like no carpet or anything. And an FRS. RIP, RFRS. New owner's gonna take good care of it though. This thing is enormous. This is R33 boat status. Mercedes Jeep Oldsmobile. It's a big boy. Look at all this flooding. Everything's melting, so it's just flooding everywhere. It's impossible to keep a car clean.
Pick it up.
Got some cars getting ready to roll out, so maybe we can actually test the microphone with some exhaust notes. Not a bad little meet for March in Minot, North Dakota. The weather super nice. Definitely helped out for the turnout. But they're all heading on a cruise. I'm not gonna go on the cruise. I don't wanna jack up my car here in the last couple weeks, and I got dinner plans with Megan and Mason anyway, so I'm going to get out of here. I had no intentions of actually running into everybody again, but they were stopping at the same gas station I was getting gas at, and they were heading up. There's a lake about 15 minutes past the base where it's got a little bit of curvy roads. It's really not much, but they're gonna head up there. They're gonna do a little bit of driving. If I had more time, I probably would have gone with them, but I only have about 2 weekends left here, and I want to spend my Saturday night with my family. So if you guys don't know, Japan is coming very soon. 2 weeks. And well, 2 weeks and I'll leave here, and then 3 weeks and I'll be on a plane to Japan. Some of you were a little bit confused on exactly why I was going to Japan. I'm going to be living there for probably around 2 to 3 months in Nagoya, working at Garage Defend. Dawson and I have some big things planned. A lot of cool stuff coming in the future, and I know you guys are going to enjoy these videos. So seriously, look forward to it. Let's get this channel back where it was. 3 weeks, baby, and we'll be in Japan. I hope you guys did enjoy the short video today. It was pretty fun. I really did enjoy getting out and seeing some of the cars. It was nice just driving with the windows down. It's been so long since I've been able to drive and just enjoy my car. And today was definitely a chance to do that with the 50-degree weather. And there were some really nice cars out, good people, good times. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm probably gonna film tomorrow at Mason's birthday party. He turns 6 on Monday, but we're having his birthday tomorrow for some friends with school. So I'll probably film that just for purposes of having it and purposes of being able to look back, because I love being able to look back at some of the family adventures we've had, and just looking back and seeing how much Mason's grown since I started the channel. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.